So my name is Mikael. I have, I guess, almost 20 years now of experience working with e-commerce, both from the tech side of things, but also from the sales side of things. The goal of the project, without going too much into detail, was basically that we were exploring a solution to manage our vendor relations a little bit better, both in terms of contracts, terms, and so on. Well, so, I mean, you always have a certain infrastructure in every company, right? And you always have certain groups using certain tools. And our challenge was that none of these tools really solved the problem. So we've tried various solutions about, for example, in our case, having a pre-built CRM system, working more with our existing ERP system, and so on and so on. We weren't really able to bring all the companies in our group together under one roof. And this was a kind of, like, the strength of this project was really that we could prototype on a tool that was a little bit outside of our existing infrastructure. I can really imagine that even a sole entrepreneur can actually have some real value working with a tool like that and kind of fiddling around on his or her own. Whereas also large organizations can really benefit from this iterative process where you do not need to have a huge investment just to get started with something that you can actually show in front of management or other stakeholder within your organization. So I think there are use cases for everybody, but I think the most important is that if you work in an organization and you are looking at a kind of software like this, and you are the main stakeholder and you feel it's a good thing, then just try it, because it will not take you many hours to figure out if it's a good idea or not, so to speak.